Bullock's Thanksgiving sale. The holidays are all...
A new Kmart sign outside. You'll know there's...
Or the second.
Light Show, only on YouTube.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome again to another video. Today's just a little short one. It's a little product unboxing and install. It's one of those things that I saw it and I had to get it and I wanted to be sure to share it with you guys. So really quick, I'm gonna do the unboxing. I'm gonna show you guys how to put it on your car and see how it looks. Will it be better? Will it be worse? Only one way to find out, so let's get going. So in this little box, that's the part number right there. These are MX-5 rear white LED license plate units. So in the past, I have picked up the LED bulbs and I saw these and they are an actual replacement unit with LEDs inside. It looks like there's about 36 LEDs inside the unit. It's got the weatherproofing and it also has the little connector. If this is better than just the single LED bulb, I'm gonna be really excited about this. You can find a link to these down in the description of the video. They are an Amazon affiliate link, so at no extra cost to you, you help out the channel a little bit if you do decide to pick these up. So here they are, that's the one. And then the second one there, basically identical. So let's take these and install them in the car. I'll show you how to take your old ones out and put these ones in and see if they're any brighter. And just for reference, this is currently what I'm running. They're two single LED bulbs in the license plate light housings. This is what it looks like. So I'm really thinking that the new ones are gonna be a lot brighter because these are like single spot. You can kind of tell right there. So they're very directional and I'm hoping that we get a lot brighter light on our license plate light. So taking these out are pretty simple. Mine are actually, I took mine out and I put some double-sided tape on them. So mine are actually gonna be a lot harder to get out than yours are. What you do is you wanna slide your light over and then pull the edge towards you. It pops out of the end like that. Sometimes if yours are newer, you don't need to slide them. Like mine had to slide to stay in place and I had to use the tape because mine are a little worn out. But you can see there's two little clips here. If you reach your screwdriver in, you can actually press this one in. Should help to release your housing. And what you want to do to disconnect them is you just twist, pull out. There's your bulb. So we can take that out. So here's our old unit right here. You can tell they definitely get yellowed. The inside gets dirt and debris in it and it's really hard to clean. I've already cleaned these once and it's just really tough to try to clean the inside. So definitely newer. It's pretty good to replace these. These were really, really cheap. Not a bad spend at all. So if you want to replace them, you might as well just get the new ones. LED wise, here's what I was running. It was just a little 4-unit LED bulb. And this one, as I said, looks like it has about 36 inside of it. So it should be significantly brighter. Here's the difference between the two bulbs and you can tell there is a giant difference. So obviously the new one right here on the right, and then on the left is our old one. You can definitely see how disgusting and dirty the inside gets. You can see how much brighter and more vibrant the one on the right is. So definitely excited about this. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the other new one in and then close the trunk and you can see how much brighter it is than the previous bulbs were. Alright, so it's super dark in here, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the car's lights now and see how much brighter it is. Wow, yeah, way, way brighter. You can see the light like disperse on the ground a lot more. But yeah, that is incredibly bright. Much brighter than the stock units and for sure brighter than the LED replacement bulbs. So I like it. I think it looks good. Makes the car feel a little bit more modern. And it's just a cleaner look. I mean, the car is disgustingly dirty, but clean, bright white lights, can't beat it. And here's a shot you can see of the light dispersed on the ground. It really looks really bright and I did my best to show it on camera, like as close as I can to what I'm seeing in real life to what the camera is seeing. This is pretty much what it looks like. So definitely very bright. So if you want a pair of these license plate lights, definitely go down in the description below. Check them out on Amazon, they're super cheap. And like I said, it is an affiliate link, so purchasing them helps out the channel and helps me out and helps to install more things on the 2.5. With the 2.5 being said, I'm still working on tuning it. I'm on my 3rd tune now. The car's feeling better and better every single time. I'm loving it. It's working. I mean, I can't complain too much. The power delivery has been great, the engine's been fine, and I've just been enjoying the car while tuning it. We're going to, for sure, take it to some back roads as soon as possible when I'm a little bit more confident in the engine. And then in future modifications, we need to address the suspension. The bushings are worn out, and I want to start looking into some underbody bracing and things like that to stiffen up the ride a little bit and really make it shine and power through the turns and things like that. Stay tuned for more GTI videos too. I've got a bunch coming out every Wednesday. We're doing GTI Wednesday. Things like sway bars, bracing, and if you haven't watched the last GTI video, make sure you go up in the corner and check it out. And getting super far ahead of ourselves, we might be doing something with this in the future. So thanks so much for watching and tuning into the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. If you are new, be sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.